The topic of today's video is how to use ChatGPT in Figma. Now, I want to make it very clear that this is not integrating ChatGPT with Figma. It's basically just using plugins that use ChatGPT as a base. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into any of our Figma projects. And what we want to do is go down to this tab here at the bottom, and we want to be on Actions. You can also open that with Control K. Now we're going to just type in ChatGPT, and then we're going to go to Plugins and Widgets. And here you'll see a whole bunch of options that use ChatGPT. So for instance, simple ChatGPT plugin, we can click on that. And then you can click on Save to save that plugin. Or if you just want to use it one time, you can click on Run. And then it'll load up that plugin inside of Figma. That is the closest thing you're going to get to getting ChatGPT in Figma. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next video.